Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 7x16 Gooseneck Telescopic Dump trailer with 4-foot mesh sides. This trailer comes with a robust IBeam frame, as well as our powder-coated finish. There is a gooseneck, as well as our safety chains and breakaway box. We have our controls for our hydraulic system, as well as our adjustable coupler. This telly does have 4-foot mesh sides with our pockets, as well as the ramps. This trailer does come with our hydraulic system for your dump, as well as an adjustable jack. We also have an adjustable coupler with your safety chains. This trailer does come with 4-foot mesh siding, as well as your telly cover. There is heavy duty frame construction, as well as a 3-way rear gate. We have our latch. This trailer does come with jacks on the back of your dump. This trailer is equipped with 2 7K axles on 16-inch wheels and rims. We have rear slide out loading ramps, as well as our side pockets. Once again, this is the 7x16x4 Gooseneck Telly Dump with 7K axles. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.